Why, hello everyone. It's me, Smooth Brain. How are my smooth friends doing today? Well, I have another unboxing. As you guys know, I was on vacation, so I have a lot of boxes to unbox that came in while I was away. This one is our TrendMood box. The most recent one, I did go ahead and purchase this again. I do have a code in the description if you're interested in TrendMood. You can use my code. I don't make anything off of it. It's just a referral code. And let's go ahead and open this up. So it's wrapped very nicely in tissue paper. And then inside there is bubble wrap. So let's go ahead and just pull some stuff out. The first thing I have here is a sunscreen. I can always use sunscreen. I love sunscreen. I try to wear it every day, especially in the spring and summer. This one is from Then I Met You. Let's see what it feels like. Oh, it's got a little tab closure on it, so I'm going to actually leave this in the box since I do have some sunscreens open already. The next thing in here, and I'm going to put the prices so you can see what these cost and then what the total cost is versus what I paid. The next thing in here is bakuchiol. Bakuchiol is a plant derivative that mimics retinol, and this is from Herbivore. I think their packaging is gorgeous. I do really enjoy Herbivore. I've used them before. And this one is a serum that you can use at night. Dual retinol alternative serum, double action. So, bakuchiol. Then we have by Terry Hyaluronic Hydro Powder. So this is skincare loose setting powder. I'm going to open this, but I don't think I'm going to open it because I have so much setting powder open already. This is by Terry. It's got, the powder in there, and it's got a little closure on there, so you don't have to open it until you're ready to use it. Okay, so that's by Terry. Powder. These mostly have hair and skin care in them, but every once in a while they will have different makeup products as well. So this one is from Genta. It's a hair and body mist, scent number 2, made with red algae extract to boost collagen for revitalized skin and healthy hair. Let's smell this. It's interesting. I don't know if I like it or not yet. I'm going to try it a few times, but I'll have to look up the notes and put it here for you so you guys can tell what it is. Then we have, yay, a volume, length, and curl brush mascara from Milani. I've never tried Milani, so interested to try this. Look for this in my next video. I will definitely try this out. My next makeup video. We also got another setting spray from Milani, and it's Make It Last Moisture Boost. It's alcohol-free long wear setting spray. So always good to have setting sprays. We got a intensive repair treatment. Definitely will use this. It's vegan, color safe. This is for hair. So put it on cleansed hair from mid-lengths to end. Leave it in for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse. So this is like a little hair mask you use in the shower. Always like having these as well. Definitely will use that. And then the last product is Be Glossy Smoothing Body Serum. So this is a body serum from Maylis. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. If you know how to pronounce it and I'm doing it wrong, feel free to correct me in the comments. And Maylis Be Glossy. Ooh, it comes in this sort of tube or packaging. It's very pretty. It's got those little beads in it that actually break up when you put them on your skin. Let's try this out. Gotta pump it quite a bit to get it to start. Okay, so it looks like this. And then when I smooth it out, the little beads will break up. It's very watery feeling, very light. So you can use this on your body. And I will be using this. I have very dry skin on my legs for some unknown reason. And if I do anything weird to them, they start itching and drive me crazy. So I have to be careful with my legs. Yeah. And there's a couple little cards in here. One is for the powder, and it describes the powder. And then this is from Maylis, and it has a 15% off code on the back as well. So yeah, that's everything in the box this time. We have the hair repair mask, the body lotion serum, the setting spray, a hair and body mist, which is perfume, the Bakuchiol Retinol Dual Treatment Serum, the sunscreen powder, and the mascara, which I will be trying in my next makeup video. So that is 2, 4, 6, 8 full-size products. I'm going to put the total right here for you and what I paid for it. And like I said, if you want to try it out, there's a referral code down below in the description. So that's everything for this time's TrendMood box. They do release these every once in a while. You can get on a mailing list as well if you're interested in it. And they usually show you what's in it before you buy it, so it's not a big mystery. But I always forget what I order, so yeah, it's usually a mystery to me anyway. So let me know if you like this time's TrendMood box and if you got one yourself. Remember, subscribe, hit like. I'm trying to build up my channel, so anything you guys do to interact with me really helps me out a lot, and I appreciate it so much. I will talk to you all tomorrow because I'm going to have yet another unboxing. I'm doing one box at a time instead of making one giant video. So hopefully you like it this way. And I am pretty behind on the makeup too, so I will be doing a lot of that. Look for some rankings, some declutterings, and 2 new series, Monster and Makeup, which will be me talking about scary movies while I do my makeup, and the Looks of Spring, which is going to be influenced by flowers as well as other creatures in nature, and using the color story from them to make a look on my eyes. If you like this look, it is from Unearthly Cosmetics. I will link that in the description, and I hope to see you soon. Remember, be happy, not sad. Bye!